Here I have a spares or repair or running project. I would suggest spares only. Failed its MOT recently on a lot of MOT welding work. So if you're a welder, absolutely no problem. If you're not a welder, then the cost at a garage these days of welding, I would suggest, is too expensive to be done. But certainly if you could weld it yourself, no problem whatsoever. It's a Mazda Bongo. As you can see, it's the auto 3-top electric roof, high top. I think they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, if my mathematics will serve me correctly, seats. So 8 seats that fold flat into a bed. Unfortunately, I drove it back 9 miles and it does have the common overheating problem, so it needs towing away. So just quickly, good set of tyres on it. Common Mazda corrosion problems, as you can see. I've seen a lot worse, but I've also seen a lot better. Yeah, it's a shame really. Good tyres all round. It drives well. Automatic. 162,000. I would suggest that'll be KMs, so that's probably circa 100,000 miles. Typical Japanese, everything's nice and tight. Power steering, all the electrics work, central locking. It says working. Now I can't get the passenger mirror window up. So let's walk around and see if it works from that switch. Yep, it's going up and down from that switch, but only down from the driver's side, so bear that in mind. Oh, the upholstery's not bad, you know. Yeah, there's no rips or tears. It could certainly benefit from a good clean, but it just depends what your plan is to do with it. So look at those seats. What a lovely set of seats and upholstery. I think this model even has, yes it does, it does. Look at this, and they all work. This would be criminal to break this down for parts, but there you have, fix the overheating. It's driving, it's not seized up or anything, so whether it wants water or, assume the worst, let's assume that it wants a head gasket. So we'll go for a head gasket and then you can work backwards from there. The video down while I'm lifting up the levers. So that goes us back in the back, yeah, fitted with a full set of genuine overmats. These make a seat, so you could have the seat that way back and then that seat goes forward and then acts as a backrest, so you sat there, so you could have a table there. Rear heating, that seems to be working. Light, so we've got the double bed or child's 2 berth upstairs. Lift that up there and that panel will push up top. We've got the electric roof, so we pull that down now. I think we need the engine off to operate that. Let's have a look. It's been a while since I had one of these as a motorhome. It's got the fold-in, fold-out mirrors. They all work. Power fold mirrors. So we've got the engine off now with the ignition on and the handbrake on. I can't remember how we do the roof. Ah, just hang on. We have to pop the top There's a cutout switch here, if I remember rightly. There we go. So we press that unlock, and now look at that. Then, so that's the safety device. You just press the top lock there. That'll come down part way, which you're supposed to do. My memory serves me correct. Let the finger off, and then go a second time. That then will lock it into the lock position. And there we go. That's now locked in. So we'll go outside and see if that's nice and flush. Yes. Nothing wrong with that. So the roof, the motor, the fabric condition of the roof is all fine. As I say, the gearbox is fine. I drove it circa about 8 or 9 miles back, but unfortunately it started to overheat, so I quickly switched it off. So sold for spares or repair only. I would suggest spares. You decide. Collection from Scaysbrick in Lancashire, L48JG. It will need trailering or on a recovery truck. No rush for collection, folks. I'll put most of the details on the eBay listing. It'll be on no reserve sale. You decide the price. There's no buy it now price. I don't know how to value it, so I'll leave it up to the market to decide. It's a very simple formula on eBay. You just bid yourself. The last winning bidder wins. But I know the phone will never stop with, what is your last price? How much is your buy it now price? Will you end the auction now for 99p? The answer is no. Sometimes they make a little bit more than expected. Sometimes they make a bit more or less. Look at my feedback. I will stand on the winning bidder, whether it'll be 99p or 99 million pounds. You know who you are, folks. You decide. Good luck in your bidding. Sensible questions only, 9 AM till 9 PM, not how much do you want. That is not the definition of a sensible question. Good luck, folks.